Welcome to Barkley Ranch's geothermal greenhouse. It's a greenhouse in the snow package, and we want to turn it into a Zone 8 greenhouse where we can grow citrus trees and other annual produce and perennials. This is our suction room. It is where most of the electrical, our exhaust fans, and our suction fans are. We're walking into the grow room, which is 78 foot on each side of grow bed. Down the center is where we will have our citrus trees. We already have a peach tree and a lemon tree planted. We are also going to have pomegranates, lime, grapefruit, orange, and some others we haven't decided yet. That is the exhaust of the geothermal loop. The geothermal fan is at the other end. We'll show you that when we walk up to our aquaponics bay. Right now we are about 5 foot in the ground. That's what helps makes the geothermal work. We do have backup electric heaters, so when it's really cold, we won't worry about our plants freezing. This is a lemon tree. This is the air-to-air geothermal blower. There's 14 tubes underneath that go out in a 250 foot loop, anywhere from 11 to 13 foot in the ground, that come out of the suction end. This is our aquaponics bays. As you can see, they're not done yet, but we plan on raising channel catfish in them with grow beds above. This is the vent tubes that go out about 30 feet and just come up in a tube outside. This is when the main blower fans are on to help cool the greenhouse. The air is able to escape through these vent tubes. Also, in the summertime, we'll have windows and door open, plus a couple chimneys that will let hopefully some pollinator species in. I have them plugged up right now to keep the hot air in the greenhouse. It is snowing outside, and I am getting ready to seed a cover crop in some certain areas to try and get some living roots into the ground. It is 31.8 outside, 45 degrees in here, 94% humidity. So this is a peach tree that my boy Seth got me for Father's Day last June. We transplanted him here a couple days ago. And this is a cover crop seed we're going to plant. There's some warm season seeds like millets and stuff in there, so I'm a little bit apprehensive to seeding it to just see if we can get it to sprout and grow. We're gonna plant some tomatoes and cabbage plants in some pots that we're gonna transplant later on. And hopefully, if this cover crop grows, we'll take a black plastic and smother the cover crop out and then just transplant our tomatoes, cabbage, squash, peppers, etc. into that, and hopefully this cover crop will get some good biology going in our ground. We did bring in some soil from our ranch in here. It was sort of a sandy site to begin with, so we used the top 12 inches below the sod, and we mixed it with some 20 or 15-year-old manure. We did send the soil samples off. We have not got them back yet, but we're excited, and we're excited for those of you who want to follow our progress. I guess till the next time, this is Todd Barkley with Barkley's Homegrown and Barkley's Ranches saying thanks for the interest. Hope you're as excited as we are.